I have to be honest, if you are looking for soul-stirring acceleration, you are looking at the wrong bike. The Navi is powered by a fan-cooled 109 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that is canted forward at 80 degrees. It's an old-school carbureted mill that prioritizes reliability over raw statistics. Because this is an urban commuter, the real story is the V-Matic automatic continuous variable transmission. The power delivery is linear and predictable. I found that from 0 to 30 miles per hour, the Navi is surprisingly peppy and stays ahead of most city traffic. However, once I crossed the 40-mile-per-hour mark, the little engine started to run out of breath. In my real-world testing, I struggled to see anything north of 55 miles per hour, especially with a slight headwind. Heat management is a non-issue given the fan cooling, but you have to remember this is a carbureted bike. On cold mornings, I had to be patient with the manual choke before it would settle into a steady idle.